Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we are making poor man's baked steak and gravy. It's mushroom gravy. It's something I've made a bunch of different times, a few different ways, but I'm going to show you the easiest way to do it, and it's really delicious. So y'all sit back, relax, and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, to get this started out, you want to get your frying pan, any kind of frying pan you want to use. Get a little bit of olive oil in there and get it good and warm, because we're just gonna saute or sear these hamburger patties or chopped steak patties. We're not trying to cook them all the way through. We just want to sear them, get them good and brown on each side, because after that we're going to put them over here in our baking pan. We're going to cover them with some cream of mushroom soup, and I'm going to add some extra mushrooms because, you know, I like extra mushrooms. But we're going to get that done, and you know, like I said, just brown them up. You don't have to mess with them. Just if you want to add some seasoning to them, right now would be a good time to do it. You know, we'll add some onion powder here. That's garlic powder, but add some onion powder, some garlic powder. Now you can make up your own hamburger patties and put your own seasoning in the hamburgers. You know, but I find it's just as easy to do it this way. And like I said, we're not trying to actually cook these things. We just want to sear them and get them good and brown. I have actually rolled them in flour before I fried them to get a nice good crisp coating on them. But today we're just doing it the quick, easy way, and so let's check these things here. So, alright, I'm going to let these cook a little bit longer. We'll bring you guys back once we get them all cooked and show you what we do next. Alright y'all, got these all browned up. We're going to transfer them over to our pan here. Get rid of our hot pan. Alright, now I think it's still making noise. Alright, let me wipe this stove up here a little bit. We'll bring you guys right back. Alright y'all, got our burgers all nicely browned up. Now I'm going to take 3 cans cream of mushroom soup, condensed stuff. Try to get it out of the can. There we go. There's one. There's 2. And I'm using 2 different store brands. Got one at the cheapo grocery store and one at Walmart. So alright, now if you want to mix a little milk in with yours, you can. I don't do mine because these things make a plenty amount of milk or juice on their own. So we're just going to kind of smoosh that one around, kind of cover them, get that all mixed together. And don't worry about that liquid coming off them burgers. We're going to bake this at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Check them. I'm draining the liquid off my mushrooms right now. Like I said, I'm putting extra mushrooms. If you want to saute some onions and put in here, That's really good too. But myself, I just like the mushrooms on this dish. Okay, get them kind of spread out a little bit there, not clumpy. Alright, looking awesome. Now, I'm going to take some foil, cover this pan up. Like I said, we're going to bake this at 350 for about, like I said, I'm going to set my timer for about 40 minutes. 30 minutes to start. We'll check it temperature wise. You want to make sure your beef patties are up to 165 degrees, and that way they're done. No chance of any kind of, you know, sickness or anything like that. So I'm gonna get this popped in the oven, and we'll get to baking them, and we'll bring you guys back when they're done. All right, y'all. Pulled her out of the oven. Did check it. It's 185, so they're well done. So I'm gonna let it sit and cool just a little bit, and then we'll do our taste test. Alright, y'all, got my steaks all divvied out. I made up some long grain and wild rice to go with it. You can make mashed potatoes. Goes really good with buttered egg noodles. I just was hungry for some long grain wild rice, so let's get cut into this, and we'll do our taste test. Alright, y'all, got the poor man's steak here. So let's give it a little taste test. Hit my mouth. Get a little of that rice too. So good. So good. And this is actually a really easy recipe. You can prep ahead of time. If you got the grill going, quick flash grill, you know, half a dozen steaks or whatever, or not steaks, but burgers. Put them in the refrigerator. Next day, like after work or whatever, throw this together, throw it in the oven for about 45 minutes. You got another great meal. So, hope you all enjoyed this. Hope you're going to try it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel. And we'll catch you all on the next one. So, thanks for watching. Oh, bon appetit. Almost forgot.